So here's the truth behind the truth. There was a time in my life where I pretty much thought I had it all together, but little by little, my marriage started slipping away. And the truth is, I just didn't see the warning signs until it was almost too late. But looking back now, man, I just wish someone had sat me down and said, hey, Jerry, here's what's really happening, and here's the map that you're missing. Over the past 10 years as a Catholic marriage mentor, man, I've seen that same story play out in countless men's lives. Good husbands, strong men who actually really do love their wives, but they just were distracted and didn't realize that their wife was moving through a serious step-by-step process, a hidden exit strategy, long before she said the words, I'm done. But hey, once men understand that process, everything changes. They stop feeling blind, they stop reacting, and finally start believing that they can do this and start leading again. And so that's why I created a free masterclass. And in it, I walk husbands through the 7 phases a wife goes through before leaving, filing, or annulling. And when men see this full picture, it's like turning the light on in a dark room, and they finally start to understand what they're truly up against and why what most men do in desperation only makes things worse. So look, this is what I usually suggest. Watch the Marriage Masterclass first. Take it in. Let it open your eyes. And if it resonates and it feels like it's describing exactly what's happening, then there's an option to schedule a time to talk with me after the training. On that call, we'll walk through what's really going on man to man and map out the next steps. Look, man, I've been in marriage hell too, and I've helped hundreds of men finally understand how marriage really works and how to reach back into the heart, mind, and soul of their beloved. Hey, I'm your mentor now. Use my knowledge, use my scars, use what God has forged inside of me, because in the end, it was built for moments like this. God love you. I'm Jerry.